Three practical shifts are arriving at once. First, AI is compressing product loops into hours. Second, voice agents and full duplex interactions speed coordination. Third, tooling and monitoring still fail silently, from TypeScript checks to IAM and idle metrics. I'll share rules and fixes you can apply this week. A developer documented shipping a full product with LLMs and distilled rules. Do not treat models as oracles. Record decisions and rejected options. Verify every decision-changing figure at the primary source. Gate features on security, performance, cost, and scalability. Here is a concrete example. The model reported $0.15 per thousand tokens. That produced $150 for 10,000 posts and $15 for a million. The published price was $0.15 per million tokens. The true cost for 10,000 posts was about 15 cents. Verify crucial numbers at the primary source. AI is shifting from completion to orchestration. Full duplex voice, such as GPT Live in desktop apps, enables agent workflows. You can start background tasks and keep conversational context. Still, set acceptance criteria and verify results. A proposed Gini coefficient would measure intent versus agent behavior. Flux 3 aims to generate image and audio together. It targets clips up to 20 seconds. Vendor results 77% versus Runway Gen 4.5, 93% versus LumaRay 3.2, 60% versus Kling V3 Pro, and about 52% versus Seedance 2.0 and Gemini Omni Flash. Tooling can fail in quiet ways. With TypeScript project references, plain TSC may not check referenced projects. A no output can look like a clean pass, but be a no-op. Introduce a deliberate failure during setup to confirm checks run. Runtime permissions cause late failures. InvoicePDF builds a code infograph and extracts roll-arns per function. It reads attached and inline policies and reduces allowed actions to service prefixes. It compares called services to allowed services and reports missing services. It requires IAM reads such as IAM list attached role policies and 4 others. Do not use CPU alone to mark EC2 idle. Corroborate CPU with network I/O. The walkthrough found 168 of 288 5-minute windows idle. That corresponds to about 14.0 of 24 hours below threshold. Test thresholds against known idle cases first. Small practical wins. InvoicePDF is a JSON to PDF API built on FPDF2 that avoids headless browsers. It uses integer minor units for exact currency math and offers 100 free invoices per month. Manticore added built-in auth and released 27.1.5. Bootstrap an admin and create least privilege users. Python microservice examples are available to try. The theme is process around faster tools. AI reduces loop cost, but not decision responsibility. Voice agents reduce friction, but require acceptance criteria. Benchmarks like the Gini coefficient help measure pragmatic divergence. Test CI and checks deliberately to ensure they run. 3 concrete next steps. 1. Add a cost verification gate and check primary pricing. 2. Verify CI and local checks by introducing a deliberate failure on setup. 3. Add corroborating signals before automations act on idle or permission findings. These low-effort changes reduce costly surprises. All sources are in the description and on screen. They include the product methodology piece, GPT Live voice agent coverage, Flux 3, TypeScript gotchas, InvoicePDF Lambda IAM checks, the CloudWatch idle walkthrough, Manticore auth docs, InvoicePDF, and Python microservices.